Welcome YouTube viewers. I found a bot today that is very powerful and I've never really seen anything like it before. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to find it, and then I'm going to show you an example of what it does. Here, I'm going to go to autofighter.org, autofighter.org, and as you can see, this site is just really amazing. The latest client will allow you to run these bots, and all these bots are really good bots, and I've used some of them at my friend's house, and all the paid one works really nice. And if you're wondering how they work, they use actually use JJax, just like Runescape, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And they also have a few free bots on the site. And here, how these bots work is they're a piece of coded Java, and instead of actually editing your Runescape client, they use a term called reflecting, and it actually reflects your client so that it knows how to do things. And this thing is so powerful, it will take you from anywhere to Runescape and take you to where I am. And in my example, I'm going to be in the Varrock sewers, and it's going to take me there. And here I'm showing you the code, how it's coded compared to other ones, how it works. It's basically, there's no other site that offers bots similar like these. These are just really good, and I can't wait to show you them. Now I'm just going to show you all these things. They have a FAQ, which is just really amazing, and it just shows you all kinds of stuff. Now here's the latest client. All you have to do is click download the latest client, then you download it, you put it anywhere, and then you extract it, and then you just click the run. Then you just click I'm trying to think of. I haven't installed it for a while. It's like the install one, and there's actually a YouTube video right down there on how you can install it. And there's no point in me downloading it because I already have it. So I'm gonna cancel it. And now I'm just going to try to show you some of the free bots they have. And the free bots are good, they work well, but the paid bots are just so much better, and they just offer so many more features, and they do different things. They've just decided to release a few for free to try to get you interested in their site and to show you how good that their bots really are. Here I'm showing you a bot, and how the system works is you buy a code, and then all you have to do is copy and paste this code into the new client. And it's just really simple, and it's really fast. And I'm going to go to the client now. You just get this thing that says click anywhere to continue, and you just hit the enter space or anything else. Now a cool thing of this client is that you can program it to have a security question, and I just programmed mine to be the name of my first cat, which I'm entering now. Alrighty, now this is where you select your codes. I've already entered a few codes, so I don't need to put in any more now. But basically all you have to do is click the little white box and insert your code. Now this takes a few minutes to start up, so I'll just pause it here. Alright, the client's almost loaded now, so here it's loaded. Now all you have to do is click add a bot, and you select which bot you want to use. The certain ones, there's not much of a difference between the signed and unsigned, but if you use the unsigned, sometimes it works a little bit faster. Alright, now you have to select your world, so I'm just going to blur it because my username comes next, and I don't want to give JJax my username. And you can also select multiple accounts for your bot to use, so that just all works really great. Now I'm going to unblur it, and you can set your breaks, but for demonstration purposes I don't really need any breaks, so I'll just cancel that. Alright, now this is really advanced. It's going to connect to Runescape like you normally load Runescape, and JJax does not know that you're loading it through this client. And this is just really neat what it does. It actually automatically selects to log in, and it types in your username and password for you perfectly. And it also is not using up my mouse. As you can see, my mouse on my computer is completely free, and it does not control it. And right now it's going to log me in, and then right now I'm in the Varrock sewers. And this piece of software is so advanced because it uses Java itself, just like Runescape, but it's on a higher security level. So Jagex cannot find out what it's doing. It can't see it, but it can look down on Jagex, and it's going to actually take me out of the sewers and all the way to the cow fields. Not the Lumbridge cow fields, but the cow fields I think in Edgeville, because they're not as crowded. And it will just take me straight out of the sewers, and it will walk me all the way there and run when it can use it. But since this is going to take a while, I'm just going to pause the video and start it back up when I'm closer. Alright, I'm just starting back up the video now. And it's just going to run for a minute out of Varrock, and then I'm going to cut the video. And here I'm starting it back up when I'm closer to the cow fields. And I'm just going to run the rest of the way there. And once I'm there, I'm going to show you what okay, I'm here at the cow fields now. And this thing automatically, as you can see, I'm drawing little boxes. I'm actually drawing a little smiley face with the mouse now. It doesn't take over your mouse. It does not control your mouse at all. This thing automatically walked all the way there, typed in my username, all without ever taking control of my mouse or keyboard. Because it is in itself is its own program. I can minimize it. I can do anything I want, and it keeps track of how many cows I've killed and how much XP I'm making on average per hour, which constantly change compared to how much damage I'm doing to the cows. And I just have to completely recommend autofighter.org. Go there as soon as you possibly can and download the client and buy anything you want. Their purchases are completely secure, and I just have to simply recommend it. Thank you, YouTube viewers. I'll make you another video showing you detailed instruction on how to install the client, and I'll also make some other videos on showing you a couple other of the bots. Thank you, YouTube viewers. Bye.